Did you know that muscle protein synthesis can remain elevated for up to 48 hours after a workout? This means your muscles are still growing long after you've left the gym. This fascinating fact highlights the importance of muscle recovery and its role in maximizing your training efforts. Understanding the science behind muscle growth, strength development and recovery is crucial for any fitness enthusiast or athlete looking to optimize their performance. Whether you're new to the gym or a seasoned athlete, grasping the principles of muscle growth and recovery can significantly impact your results. We'll delve into the science behind these processes and provide practical strategies to help you achieve your fitness goals. From nutrition and workout routines to recovery techniques, this essay will equip you with the knowledge to unlock your full potential. Many individuals face challenges in their quest for muscle growth and optimal recovery. Poor nutrition, often characterized by inadequate protein intake or an over-reliance on processed foods, can severely hinder muscle development. Additionally, insufficient rest and sleep deprive your muscles of crucial time needed for repair and growth. Ineffective workout routines that lack progressive overload or disregard proper recovery techniques can also lead to plateaus. These obstacles can be frustrating, but understanding their impact empowers you to implement effective solutions. Nutrition is the cornerstone of muscle growth. Without a solid nutritional foundation, all your efforts in the gym can go to waste. It's not just about eating more, it's about eating right. To build muscle, you must consume more calories than you burn, creating a calorie surplus. This means carefully planning your meals to ensure you're getting enough energy to fuel your workouts and support muscle recovery. It's a delicate balance that requires attention to detail and consistency. Prioritizing protein, especially from animal sources like meat, fish, and eggs, is crucial as it provides the building blocks for muscle repair and growth. Protein is made up of amino acids, which are essential for repairing the tiny tears in muscle fibers that occur during intense exercise. Without adequate protein, your muscles won't recover properly, and growth will be stunted. Aim for a daily protein intake of around 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight, distributing it evenly throughout your meals. This ensures a steady supply of amino acids to your muscles throughout the day, optimizing repair and growth. Protein shakes can be a convenient way to meet your protein needs, especially post-workout when your body is primed for nutrient absorption. Don't underestimate the importance of complex carbohydrates such as oats, quinoa, and brown rice, which provide sustained energy for your workouts. Carbohydrates are your body's preferred source of energy, and consuming them in the right amounts can help you power through intense training sessions. They also play a role in replenishing glycogen stores, which are depleted during exercise. Healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil are essential for hormone production and overall well-being. Fats are often misunderstood and unfairly demonized, but they play a crucial role in maintaining cell structure, supporting brain health, and regulating hormones. Including a variety of healthy fats in your diet can also help you feel fuller for longer, aiding in overall dietary adherence. Finally, stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially around your training sessions. Hydration is key to maintaining performance and aiding recovery. Water helps transport nutrients to your muscles, regulates body temperature, and supports overall metabolic function. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day and more if you're engaging in intense physical activity. Effective training involves progressively overloading your muscles, forcing them to adapt and grow stronger. This means continually challenging yourself by increasing the weight, repetitions, or sets as you progress. Aim to train each muscle group 2 to 3 times per week, allowing for adequate rest between sessions. Focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, which engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, leading to greater overall muscle growth. Incorporate isolation exercises, such as bicep curls and tricep extensions, to target specific muscles and enhance muscle definition. The art of recovery, rest, recharge, rebuild. Recovery is an essential part of any fitness journey, often overlooked but incredibly vital. It's not just about taking a break, it's about giving your body the time it needs to heal and grow stronger. Recovery is just as crucial as training when it comes to muscle growth. Without proper recovery, your muscles can't repair themselves, which can lead to overtraining and injuries. This is why incorporating recovery strategies into your routine is so important. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as this is when your body repairs and rebuilds muscle tissue. Sleep is the foundation of recovery, allowing your body to undergo critical processes that restore energy and repair damaged tissues. Incorporate active rest on your non-training days, engaging in light activities like walking or swimming to promote blood flow and reduce muscle soreness. These activities help keep your body moving without the intensity of a full workout, aiding in recovery and preventing stiffness. Consider using compression garments and topical gels to further aid in recovery by reducing inflammation and muscle soreness. These tools can be particularly beneficial after intense workouts, helping to speed up the recovery process and get you back to training sooner. Listen to your body and don't hesitate to take rest days when needed. Rest days are not a sign of weakness, but a crucial part of a balanced fitness regimen. They allow your muscles to recover fully, preventing burnout and enhancing overall performance. Nutrition also plays a key role in recovery. Consuming a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates can provide the necessary nutrients for muscle repair and energy replenishment. Hydration is equally important, as water helps transport nutrients throughout your body and flush out toxins. Lastly, consider incorporating professional recovery techniques such as massages or using a massage gun. These methods can help alleviate muscle tension, improve circulation, and enhance overall relaxation, making your recovery process more effective. The protein timing advantage. While consistent protein intake throughout the day is essential, timing your protein intake can significantly impact muscle protein synthesis. Consuming a protein-rich meal or supplement immediately after your workout provides your muscles with the necessary amino acids to kickstart the repair and rebuilding process. This simple adjustment can significantly enhance your muscle growth and recovery. Unlocking your muscle building potential is a journey that requires dedication, knowledge, and the right strategies. Achieving optimal muscle growth and recovery requires a multifaceted approach, encompassing proper nutrition, effective training, and dedicated recovery practices. It's not just about lifting weights, it's about understanding how your body responds to different stimuli and making informed decisions to support your goals. By prioritizing a balanced diet rich in protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats, you provide your body with the fuel it needs to build and repair muscle tissue. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, while carbohydrates replenish glycogen stores, and healthy fats support overall cellular function. Incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods ensures that your body gets the vitamins and minerals it needs to perform at its best. Implementing progressive overload in your training regimen, focusing on compound exercises and allowing for adequate rest will maximize muscle growth. Progressive overload means gradually increasing the weight, frequency, or number of repetitions in your strength training routine. Compound exercises such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, leading to more efficient and effective workouts. Tracking your progress in a workout journal can help you stay motivated and make necessary adjustments to your training plan. Finally, prioritizing sleep, incorporating active rest, and considering recovery tools like compression garments and topical gels will optimize your recovery process. Quality sleep is crucial for muscle recovery and overall health, as it allows your body to repair and grow. Active rests, such as light stretching or low-intensity activities, helps to keep your muscles engaged without overworking them. Recovery tools like foam rollers, compression sleeves, and topical gels can aid in reducing muscle soreness and improving circulation, ensuring that you are ready for your next workout. Join the conversation. We've explored the key principles and strategies for unlocking your muscle building potential. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences with muscle growth and recovery in the comments below. Have any questions? Ask away. Remember, knowledge is power, and by implementing these strategies, you can achieve your fitness goals and build the strong, healthy body you deserve.